Hey everyone, Amy here, and today we are going to learn how to create email templates within Outlook. This way is going to work for both the desktop and the browser version of Outlook. However, if you are using the desktop app, then I do have another video linked up in the corner here for just that as an alternative. So with that being said, let's start out. All right, so the first thing that we are going to do is head on up to All Apps from the Home tab on the main ribbon. From here, we will select Add Apps. And from this search bar, we are going to type templates. And this is going to pull up a bunch of different apps that we can add. But the one that we are looking for is My Templates. As you can see, it's created by Microsoft and it is free for you to use. So if we click on that, the area that I want to highlight here is that you can use this add-in to save text and images that you can insert into a message with one click. So just keep that in mind as we work through this, but the main components are text and images that can be added into a template. So if we click open, then we can start to use My Templates. All right, now that we have that app added in, we can head on up to New Email. And from this window pane, we can head on over to the far right and see View Templates. If you don't see this here, then you can just head over to All Apps and then you can see My Templates there. This pulls up the My Templates pane, and if you just select on one of these pre-populated templates, then you can just see that a quick message appears. So I would say that these templates are a bit more limited in structure, but they do definitely still serve a purpose. And I really enjoy just this quick bird eye view of all of your templates that you can easily access. Now, if we want to add a quick template, then we can just select My Template and we will just call this one a test. And if you're finding this video helpful, then you can also give it a thumbs up. That would mean a lot to me. Now you'll notice that this is a pretty limited pane here and there's not much option for, formatting this or adding anything else. But we can just click save just to show you how that works. And if we add it, then it just populates in there just like that. If you are looking to add a little bit more formatting to your template, then you can use the message pane to enter your template. And for example, we can make this bold or even, like a nice reddish orange brown. I also want to include this photo of Rue at a sunset hike. As a sidebar, I have tried to insert this image directly into one of those templates, but I did exceed the file size and I kept getting an error. So if you are going to be adding small images, then you should hopefully be within that size. But if you are getting that error similar to me, then I do have a quick workaround. And so we can just copy this link here. We just need to remember that we can't easily add attachments into these templates. So the workaround is to copy the link and then add that link into your body of your text. So I'm going to go insert link and we will paste that there. So now that I've got this template created, I'm just going to copy this. And if we head on over to templates, we can call this Sunset Gala and we will just control V there. So you can see that that's now kept that formatting and we even have that link there as well. We can just try and make that a little bit easier. So we can now save that. And now when we want to use that Sunset Gala, we can easily add in that template. If you did find this video helpful, then you can hit subscribe so that you get notifications on all of my recent uploads. The last thing that I wanted to note is that these templates sync across your emails. So they're super handy that way. And here we are in the browser version. So if we just head on up to add, then we will see My Templates there and we can just quickly select that Sunset Gala. Unfortunately, the color of that text did change, but that's just a minor blip and you can just, format it from here if you feel necessary. All right, so that wraps up this video and I do hope that I've helped you discover your inner nerd today. If you do have any questions about Outlook templates, then feel free to drop those in the comments below. And if you did enjoy watching this video, then please give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. All right, we'll catch you next time.